Welcome, welcome, boys. This is a sponsored product review. The kind folks at Oedro Motor, Oedro LLC, sent me these Oedro brand floor mats. Links for this product and their store, their other products, will be down below in the description and the pinned comment. We're going to put these mats inside of our 2019 F150 with the center console. They will not work in your F-150 that looks like this with the vinyl floors and the bench seat up front. Must be in the one with the console with the carpet. And you might be saying to yourself, well, what's wrong with the factory floor mats? My truck comes with factory floor mats. Well, they're fine and all, except that they're made of carpet. And winter is coming. So the problem is, you can already see with these, is they trap dirt, they trap moisture, they trap hair, they trap things that are going to trap odors in the vehicle. So with winter and everything, you're going to be walking through snow, slush, sleet, you're going to have all those things, salt on your feet. You're going to get in the car, this is going to get absorbed in your mat, it's going to turn them dirty, and in order to clean these, you're going to have to vacuum this stuff out. You're going to have to shampoo them out with a Hoover or something like that, vacuum, where you can put a chemical down and suck it up. And that's going to, then you got to wait for it to dry. That's going to take all day, and ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, so we're going to unbox and get a look at our mats. This box was probably seen better days manhandled in shipping, so we're going to assume that everything's just fine in here, but we're all about to find out together. So right here we have our big mat for the rear. Our two front mats. And we got, looks like a manual, our rubber grommets for the install. So it's a nice thick textured rubbery material here. So this will be perfect for trapping water and dirt in here. So we can, once, you know, if you get it dirty, just pick it up, rinse it out, dump it out. This is the literature that comes with it. We have our instruction manual, though you won't need them, especially if you're watching this. We got our customer support number. If you have any questions, problems, concerns, email, phone number. And then it also came with a spare cap for the driver's side to lock it in place for the mat. We won't need it. Our two are already in there. This is the rear mat, so we're going to go ahead and set it in the back on the floor there. Slides right in place. Same for the passenger. You just slide it down in there, and it's already form fitted. They say at the factory that where they make these, they're laser engraved or laser scanned to and then molded to fit the truck, and it drops right in just like the back did, perfectly fine. Driver one's already installed, as you can see, and it fits just as well. Snaps in place with those caps. So it doesn't slide around when you're operating your gas and brake pedal. Alright, boys, and there you have it. The Oedro floor mats by Oedro LLC. So they fit right in place, and now I don't have to worry about any more junk falling off my feet, getting stuck in the carpet. This gets dirty, you just pull it up, dump it out, wipe it off, and you're ready to rock. So again, I would like to thank the kind folks at Oedro LLC for sending me these Oedro floor mats so I can showcase them here in this video. And if you want to get a pair for your F-150, link is down below in the description and pinned comment, as well as all their other products in their store. So check them out. And I would also like to thank the owner of the F-150 for allowing me to showcase these Oedro floor mats. This is what we look like in the back with the seat down. And this is Christmas Day we are installing these, so it's a little chilly out. If you are installing the cold day as well, once she warms up, she'll probably settle down and then get exactly where she needs to be. But for it being cold and me just pulling them out of the box, they're a pretty good fit. So if you like what you see, go down below into the description and the pinned comment. You can get these for your F-150. They also have them for other makes and models of vehicles, but you can check out the store for all their other products as well. So I'll catch you boys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.